Hi guys! Today I'm back with a short update on the orchids. So last week there was a video on how I'm still trying to get rid of the thrips that have infested all of my orchids, and I was showing a specific spray that I'm using to get rid of them. So check the link there for the last video, and for the tips and everything on thrips and on the information that I got from my orchid nursery, which really helped me. So I'm not gonna tell all of that again. I'm just gonna go straight to the update. So it's been now a bit over a week, and I've been watching my orchids very closely. I'm still finding some thrips that I'm finding on the orchids, but I haven't seen any living thrips. Whenever I see them on the orchids, I pick them away and they never seem living. So they don't move. I don't see any moving creatures on the orchids. So I think they're doing pretty good. I've noticed the difference. I'm not seeing thrips anymore. However, there is one thing that I noticed yesterday. I was watering my orchids for the first time after I treated them with the spray. I watered them yesterday, and in 2 or 3 of the orchids I noticed that after watering there was something in the bark. So it wasn't actually on the leaves, but it was these little silvery things that were running in the bark and in the roots. This could be thrips, but they don't live in the roots, or that's what the orchid nursery told us, that they don't live in the roots and in the bark. And when I did the research on thrips, I found that there's a similar looking bug which is called springtail, which is not harmful for the orchid, and it lives in the bark. So it could be that, it could be something else, I don't know. So for now, what I'm gonna do next is I've ordered another bottle of the spray, and I'm going to spray the orchids again just to be sure. So I'm going to spray them all again, and then the thrips and whatever else should be gone. I won't do it for the 3rd time. I will wait and see how the orchids are doing, and then I will see if I need to do anything else. So all in all, looking really good. Fingers crossed. I really don't want to jinx it, so I really hope it's working, and I'm almost there to getting my orchids free of these bugs. And I just wanted to share something else. I want to share some happy news. I've noticed, like I told already before, my orchids are showing some new growth, and now it's just somehow it's booming on all of the orchids. So they're growing new flower spikes, and even the orchids that are new that I've just bought and they had like full grown or big flower spikes just like a couple of weeks ago, even those orchids are growing new flower spikes. So I just wanted to show you on a couple of orchids. This is the orange orchid that was loved by so many of you, and it has a new flower spike coming there. And also just today I noticed that there's another flower spike there. It's really small, so I don't know if you can see it, but there will be some orange flowers soon. And then this is the mystery orchid. So one of the orchids that I bought without knowing what kind of flowers it has, and it has 2 flower spikes here. Soon I will know what kind of orchid this is. The only thing I noticed was, for some reason, the bottom leaves are getting yellow, and I think they are going to fall off. I don't know why this is happening, but hopefully it's not a big deal. but it has these flower spikes, so I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look. And then, to my surprise, my cakey grown orchid that's been doing, well, not very good, because you can see how the leaves look. They've been looking like that for a long time, and the cakeys that it's growing are also looking weird at the moment. But for my surprise, it's starting to grow a flower spike. I guess it's not doing that bad after all. So those were just 3 of the orchids that which I showed that have the flower spikes, but the rest of the orchids, except the little cakey, also have flower spikes. So soon, hopefully, it will be all blooms again, and I cannot wait to share the photos with you once the orchids are in full bloom. So that was it. The quick update on the orchids, and next week there will be a new update because I will be spraying the orchids this week, and then I will make an update next week on if there are any changes. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in this video or in any of my previous orchid videos, comment below and I'll be happy to help you. If you like this video, don't forget that like. My poor orchid. Don't forget that like and subscribe for more orchid videos and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.